Now that we've created this shared data source, we can double click it to open it, or we could right and click it and go to open. So it's just worth just having a brief look at the various data sources you can connect to. Now we're currently connecting to Microsoft SQL Server, which is the Management Studios version of it, but you can also connect to the analysis services, so that's the data warehouse. You can connect to an Ensure, which is an online version. You can connect to other types of databases like Microsoft Access and that sort of thing using OLEDB, or perhaps more recommended nowadays, ODBC. And you can even connect to things that aren't Microsoft, like SAP NetWeaver Business Intelligence. Now, some of these require credentials, and you can see in this second tab that you can use whatever credentials you need, the username and password, but here we're just using straightforward integrated SSMS security, the standard Windows authentication, rather than having to type in a username and password. Alternatively, if you don't want to hard code the figures, you can ask the end user for the password, or you can say no passwords are to be used whatsoever, but that's generally not the case. You generally will need some sort of accreditation. Now, one thing that I'm going to do before continuing is change this name, because it's fine calling it after the name of the database, but it doesn't actually say that this is a data source, that this is the connection. So I'm just going to change this now to data source. And this is where you can edit the name, and in fact you can edit the connection string if you need to later on. So click OK, and you can see this gets updated. Right, now we've revised the data source, we can now make a data set.